Okay, today we're going to be doing the unboxing and assembly of the CyberTruck, the storage bins that goes in the back of the CyberTruck. So let's see if we can get into it. Shouldn't be that hard, but you never know. Not sure what this does, but we'll find out soon enough. It's about how deep it is. It has the CyberTruck logo on it. You can see. Alright, I'm going to place that down. Pretty sturdy. Toss this over here. Oh. I see it now. This kind of unlatches here. So that may be, so this is for the other one. But the third one, well, the first one I brought out. So it looks like it's missing here. See if I can maneuver this in here. Ooh. Okay, that did it. Got some flowers. And we got our set. So we got the turtle. Got all three in there. See? Got all kind of lined up. And looks like there's still some space. You want to put a little bit of, just a little bit of something on top. And again, you need to put anything in there real quick. You kind of lift up, put your groceries or whatever, close it, snap that sucker back in there. Still got some space over here to put any extra items, and that seems okay. Let's see if we can close this. So you can see there's still space to put something right there on top, and that's all. That's it. That's all.